Now I'll show you how to add an IR remote and control all your devices directly from your phone. Multiple remotes create clutter, confusion, and constant searching. With the IR Blaster, you can control your AC, TV, set-top box, and more, all from your phone. No lost remotes, no dead batteries, no guessing which remote to use. Everything is in one place, always ready. In this video, I'll show you how to add an IR remote. Control all your devices from your phone. First, open your Home Automation app. Tap on Remotes in the bottom tab bar. Tap the plus icon to add a new remote. Select your appliance type and tap Next. Choose the room. Select the device to pair. Enter the appliance name, then tap Next. Now, select the brand, for example, Samsung. Start testing the remote buttons. If it doesn't respond, switch to the next remote option and test again. Once the device responds correctly, tap OK to confirm. That's it. Your remote is now added and ready to use. One phone, every remote. Simple, smart, control. Thank you.